Hey Microsoft Teams users! Teams is where your organization comes together for chat, meetings, and collaboration. But with Teams, you can do more. When you add Power BI to Teams, you can respond quickly and adapt to changing conditions by infusing teamwork with data-driven insights. With the new Power BI app for Teams, it's now even easier to find all of the dashboards and reports you use. And you can share them with your colleagues right from the app. The app makes it simple to start creating new data visualizations, find and connect to organizational data, and bring data to your teams. All of these capabilities in the new Power BI app for Teams make it easy to discover insights, take action, and drive impact. You can quickly share reports without having to leave a chat or meeting to keep the conversation going. Make data a part of your conversation and help your organization stay productive, be agile, and do more with Power BI and Teams. To get started, visit aka.ms/Power BI with Teams.